Hey everyone, happy Friday. I am going to try not to shatter your wine glass today. Last week, when I said hello, it was so high pitched. I'm sorry. If you are ever in a meeting or something and you want to keep from doing that, and I know this, but I always forget, is start speaking on like breathe in and then breathe out and then say hello. So that's what I just did. Okay, today I have so many good things to show you and something that's kind of like extra special to my heart. And my hair today, I did just let it dry naturally out of the towel last night. And here's the thing, like if I put a little bit of mousse in it, it does good, but it's hard to get it just right. And I think I got a little bit too much right there, but that's okay. So let's start with some earrings that I ordered from Choo. Choo to me has always been known for their jewelry. I think like back in the day, remember we had those necklaces that were so cool, and I just always loved their jewelry. So I was on their website seeing if there was anything I wanted to order, and this was it. So it's these earrings, you know, these bigger kind of 90s inspired earrings have kind of made a comeback. I actually just got these, so I haven't tried them on yet. I was kind of surprised how big they were, but they got great reviews and everyone said they were comfortable. They are comfortable and they're not that heavy. Can you see like it's not pulling on my ear? Because I've been pretty good in my life of not wearing heavy earrings, and my earring piercing is pretty intact. And I'm good about if like earrings irritate my ears, I do not wear them again, and I usually give my ears a break. So let's see how these look. Yes. I just love like the look of those bigger earrings I've been wearing, the teardrop ones. I think they're Bottega inspired. I got my gold ones from Amazon and my silver ones from Walmart, but they're basically the same thing. I've really enjoyed wearing those. So this is along those same lines. What do you think? I love them. I've always loved hearts. And I just, you know, some days I feel like piling on the jewelry. Some days I just want a few statement pieces, and that's what these are. And then the next pair are these, more hearts. You can see what I like. And I have enjoyed wearing the silver every once in a while, like with pink and colors like that. Sometimes I think silver just pops. So these are definitely, let me struggle through this. So these are definitely light as they can be. I love those. Okay, I'll put the other one in too. Okay, here we go. Aren't they pretty? I think they show a lot too with, hey Chanel, with longer hair. Love them. Okay, I'm going to keep these in. These feel good. I cannot even feel these in my ears. Both of them, a good surprise. Okay, I ordered some things from, I've got lots of videos coming up for you guys. I've gotten some things from Nordstrom. And I ordered this lipstick. I've had it before, but one of you sent me a video of a girl wearing this. And so I ordered it again. It's Adrian, and you can see I have not even swatched it. I can't believe how brown it looks. Right off the bat, I'm thinking it's going to be too brown for me, but it is pretty pink looking, isn't it? Yeah, we'll see. I feel like it's not going to be my thing, but that's okay. Now I know that's part of this. And then I ordered another one of these that I'm wearing today, which is the Estee Lauder Showstopper. This color is not available everywhere, and I love it. So if you like this nude lip that I have been wearing nonstop, it's my lip liner with Christian Audette in Paradise. It is this lipstick in Estee Lauder Showstopper, and then the City Beauty Los Angeles. And when you put those together, it just makes the prettiest combo. It reminds me of when I used to wear the L'Oreal, that little silver L'Oreal. What was it called? And then not L'Oreal, but Lancome. Remember when I wore the Lancome peachy one, real light peachy one? And then I wore the L'Oreal one that we love so much, Shining Peach. And I would wear those with Lancome Ideal. It kind of reminds me of that combo. So, I mean, this is only for those of you that like, you know, that muted light lip. But by the time you put the lip liner with it and the gloss, it's beautiful. It's what you see here, and it wears off so nicely. A lot of that is because my lip liner really does last a long time. So there's that. And then this is an eyeshadow palette inspired once again by Rachel Leary. Matter of fact, it was the same video I was watching where she used those two MAC blushes, Melba, and I can't remember. I'll list them both down below with this. But she was using this eyeshadow palette. And I think because it's a UK brand, it took a while to get to me. I just got it yesterday, so I used it today for the first time. It is Choo Cosmetics, all matte everything, my kind of palette. And I used today that shade, a little bit of that shade, a little bit of that shade. I thought there was a yellowy one that was interesting. Where is it? Yeah, Magnetic. It's going to be more of that camel-y color. So that's what I have on today. Is this a must-have? I mean, if you're in the market and you're like me and you just love nude matte shadows and palettes, then I think you would like it. But, you know, it's very similar to some of our others. And then just to give it a little pizzazz, I got out an oldie but a goodie. If you don't have this shadow, I hope they still make it. But it is the Bobbi Brown Moonstone. You guys, this shadow it's just amazing. It is some of the prettiest sparkles ever. It's right up there with Midnight Cowboy. Is that the one from Urban Decay that I used to love? But this one's even prettier. See how it still lets your skin show through? Like, honestly, if you're someone that never wears eyeshadow, you could put this all over your lid. Okay, say you're going out. Put this all over your lid and then run a little bit of your bronzer through the crease, and it's going to look so good. I mean, that shadow is gorgeous. Okay, it is very rainy here today, so if I seem kind of like a little bit down on rainy days, it just puts me kind of in a down feeling. So that's it. And then another thing, I want to ask you this before I forget. I would like to start a new series on my channel called Ask Me Anything. And then I want to start today with Ask Me Anything, and then I can choose from those questions to kind of make different videos. A lot of you say you miss my just talking videos, but sometimes it's a little difficult because, you know, I just want to know what are your interests? What are you interested in knowing? What can I help you with? What can I guide you with? What can I inspire you with? And then I'll probably go into some more targeted things like ask me anything about carnivore, ask me anything about fashion, ask me anything about plastic surgery, ask me anything about Botox and fillers. You know what I mean? I want to get that conversation started because when I do these type of videos and my fashion videos, you know, I try to give you guys points of view, but sometimes it can be taken wrong and sometimes I can't get as in depth as I want to do. And I feel like there's so much more to me and to us and to our relationship than this stuff. Though this inspires me, there's just so much more. So if you will, write down below any questions or topics you want me to talk about, and we will do that in some upcoming videos. So look for me to do this on my YouTube community page and my Instagram stories. I will put them both out there at the same time. Ask me anything about ... and then whatever the subject is. Okay, so now let's go on to some sunglasses. And you guys know, of course you know how much I love sunglasses, but I do like different kinds for different outfits, a different vibe, a different mood I'm in. Some are more comfortable than others. And one of you sent me a picture of a girl wearing these. And these are from Diff, D-I-F-F. I don't think I've bought many pair from this brand. I do know that they always feature these in the Nordstrom sale. But I noticed when I was opening the box, I think I've already thrown it away. Oh, no, it was this. Let's make a difference. You know, I'm taking it from that they're giving part of their proceeds to charities. And the ones I got are called, oh my goodness, I'll put them down below. But I love these. Very vibey, very, I need a little dum-dum sucker, very, Telly Savalas. I love them. I don't really like them with my hair up like this, but I love these. So I got these. I think they were having a sale. And then typically I'm kind of a gradient kind of girl, but when I put these black ones on, I really liked the black ones. They are like blackout. These remind me a little bit of like Michael Kors, the way he always wears his aviators. And they're they don't rest on my cheeks, very light and very inexpensive. So I know there's some of you out there that or like me and you don't mind paying for designer sunglasses and for some reason, I don't ever lose mine, and very rarely do any of them get damaged. I think the worst thing that has ever happened is one time I paid up for a pair of Victoria Beckham aviators, and I went, I'll never forget it, I was with Sheila Fajl and we were on Rodeo Drive shopping, and I was taking them off every time we went in a store, and I would just put them in my bag, but not in the case, and they got just scratched up. And I have done that so many times. So typically, I'm pretty good at taking care of my sunglasses. Okay, one of my favorite things that I've gotten in a long time, and if you watch my favorites, you already know this, but my favorite purchases has been these Pumiey tops. Now, I was thinking, I'm not really crazy about the bodysuits. Like when you first take them out of the package and you wear them for that first time, they are so good. But when you wash them, they don't wear that well. But these I really like. Like for instance, I have this one on today. It's not a bodysuit. It's just the t-shirt, kind of like Skims. And I got this one in this pink color. And I just wore the long sleeve one. I had to get it out of the dirty clothes. I just wore the long sleeve one yesterday. I did a Bloomingdale's unboxing. And I wore this one. See, it's really soft. It's double ply. The best bra to wear under these is the Soma bra. I'll link it below. And I just love them. I have found that these Skims tops like this, I do like them, but they fade very easily and they're like a lot more expensive. So let's see what other color did I get. Looks like a black short sleeve one. This is something good too, just to have in, okay. This is something new for me. It's a tank and it's a little bit cropped, but I plan on wearing it with high-rise trousers and like a big blazer or something over it. Every time I've taken them with me out of town or just thrown them on a day, I'm just, messing around. They're very comfortable, but yet I feel like they look good and they're pretty inexpensive. Okay, for those of you that have been here with me, does anyone remember these Jimmy Choo heels? These are, I'll have to look on my channel and see if I can find where I got these, but the person who inspired me to get these is Marissa Webb. She is a designer that I have been following, you guys, for years. I just happened upon her photo on Pinterest years ago, and she was so inspiring to me. And then I would say several years later, she was the creative director for Banana Republic. And I've just followed her all along the way. I've always loved her style. And so when I purchased a pair of her jeans on the Revolve website and I wore them to Like to Know It, to the conference, she, liked my picture and she has reposted my picture. And you can imagine what that means to me, because I've always just loved her style and just, that was so exciting. Well, something even more exciting happened. She wanted to send me some of her designs. So I'm getting ready to show you what she sent me. I just got these things yesterday. Brooke is over here, my daughter, and she did just steam these pants. But I'm going to put these shoes on in honor of Marissa. She had these on. I'll put the picture in here. And I tried this morning to try to find the actual picture in my photos, but I couldn't find it. I did find it on my Pinterest though, so I'll be right back. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the pair of jeans that I am wearing today. I just put these on this morning. I was so excited that they fit. These are actually a size 28, and I think that I probably could wear the 27, but I don't know. I'm thinking to myself, well, good, now I'll be able to dry these without worrying about it. And I think that they are so unique and so flattering. I love them. So I put them on today with my Jimmy Choos. These are actually very, very comfortable pumps. But these jeans, what can I say? They're just so fabulous, so unique. This is something that she's kind of known for, is a good waistband. She's very good at creating flattering pieces, and a lot of times she'll wear things that fold over. And I do love too, she's someone who is very inspiring to just take what you have in your closet and make it work, because she wears all kinds of button-up shirts, and she'll roll up the sleeves, push up the sleeves of her blazer and do things like that. So she sent me these jeans, and then she sent me this pinstripe little blazer. I'll try this on for you, and I'll put everything and the sizes down below. So this is very much like something she would wear. A lot of like blues, and I just love the way she mixes her colors. And I believe this is made, it's got like a wool blend. Feels really nice. And then she sent me 3 of her tanks in size small. This is the chrome. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. I should have worn one of these today. I think with it raining, it kind of killed my get dressed up vibe. But you guys, look at that. Love it. And then here is the white. One of my favorite pieces in my wardrobe is always tank tops. And then look at these. Same concept in the faux leather. Is it the same? Okay, the pockets are a little different. And these are size 4. I can tell that they are going to fit though. I can just look at them and tell. These are the back. Love it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. When I got here, pulled in, I saw a big box. It looked like an Amazon box. And then when I walked up to it and I saw she had her tape with Marissa Webb. Oh my gosh. And then this sweatshirt. Love it. I even like the idea of this sweatshirt with these pants and then a pair of pumps. Love it. I love the opening. Like this is one of those that you can just kind of like put over, you know what I mean? Like just a little bit off the shoulder. Love it. This is a size small. And then these pants. Aren't they gorgeous? Linen white pants. And this size is 4. Trousers. The ultimate. Okay, this is what I'm envisioning. The all white outfit. It's one of my favorite outfit formulas. Love these. And then under this pile, I did have some other Pumiey tops that I got. I got this nude one. Like, I don't think this is going to be like that gorgeous by itself, but the thing is, these are good to wear under other things. And then what else did I get? Oh, another black one. I wear that black one so much, I have to go look for it in the laundry room where I left it to dry. Okay, you guys, so I think that's it. So don't forget to leave me any questions you have down below. It can be about anything at all. Oh, I did have my nails done. Finally, yesterday they needed it so bad. I had the Cajun shrimp bottle right out to do Cajun shrimp, and then I thought about Funny Bunny, and I went with Funny Bunny. Anything else I need to tell you? You know what my earrings are, and my ring, the wolf ring, I always go for it, my Rolex watch, and that is it. So I hope you have a wonderful weekend. I'll be seeing you, and I appreciate you being here. Bye-bye.